And testimony has finally begun in a years-long legal dispute between Robstown veteran Leroy Torres and the state of Texas. Our Michelle Lorenzo reports from the courtroom. Your news at 5 starts right now.
Some believe veterans' rights within the workforce will be clearly defined here at the Nueces County Courthouse. I'm Michelle Lorenzo here following the trial between Leroy Torres and the Department of Public Safety.
Good morning.
Leroy Torres, the U.S. Army vet and former DPS trooper, made his way to the courtroom for a second time this week on Tuesday morning. As we've reported, Torres is suing the Department of Public Safety for financial damages. He was hired as a state trooper before he was deployed to Iraq in 2007. The co-founder of Burn Pit's 361 and driving force of the PACT Act is currently suffering permanent lung damage from exposure to burn pits during his time in service. After being discharged, he returned to work with DPS. Due to his medical condition, Torres was seeking permanent accommodation. But Torres claims his initial request wasn't addressed, and he says eventually he was forced to resign in 2012. During his testimony at the witness stand, he said, quote, "Servicing as a trooper wasn't just a job that I would just go to earn a paycheck. It's just like the military, something I lived by," end quote. In the courtroom Tuesday, his attorneys went over documents which aimed to prove that Torres would have earned almost $1.3 million from the time he resigned to this year. The amount considers an accumulation of salaries, benefits, and potential promotions. During opening statements, the defendant's attorney argued the claim, saying, quote, "Evidence will show he was treated with respect and there were reasonable efforts to accommodate his disability," end quote. The attorney also said DPS has policies and programs which help veterans and ongoing military personnel. Now, this is a multi-day trial. Cameras and recording devices are not permitted in the courtroom, but as this develops, we'll be sure to keep you guys updated on air and online. Reporting from the Nueces County Courthouse, I'm Michelle Lorenzo, Chris 6 News.